Welcome everyone. Every Friday we try to learn a little bit from my holy ancestor, the Maharal of Prague. So this week's Parshas Lech in the book of Genesis, chapter 12, verse 1. It says, Lech Lecha me'artzecha u'mimoladecha u'mebeis avicha la'aretz asher arecha. And the Lord said to Abram, go for yourself from thy land and from thy birthplace and from thy father's house to the land which I show you. Rashi says, Lech lecha lanoscha l'tevascha. You should go for yourself, for your benefit and for your pleasure. Shames echa l'goy gadol. There I will make you a great nation. Kaniyat zeich labanim. Here in the Ur of the Chaldeans you will not be worthy of the children. Void shediyativ acha ba'olam. But there you will have children, and you'll become famous and be well known in the world. Says the Heilige Gezeide of the Maharal of Prague, that here you will not be worthy of the children until you move to the Holy Land. Even though Scripture says you'll be a great nation, so why would Rashi have to say that here you will not be worthy of the children? And it doesn't say that here you will not be worthy to be a great nation. The answer is that to be a great nation does not depend on the land of Israel. But if you're not going to be worthy to children, that was connected to the Holy Land. We find this later in Genesis 16, verse 3. In the end of 10 years that Abraham dwelt in the land, we know that if a man and a woman are together for 10 years, they can be assumed to not be able to have children after 10 years. Abraham and Sarah were together for more than 10 years, but it's the 10 years that they were in the Holy Land that only counted. That their dwelling outside the Holy Land is not included in the count. It's the Gemara in Yevamos Samech Daled Amud Aleph. V'hainu she'leidas bonim tali ba'aretz v'chinyaspoer l'kamen. And we're going to see that later, that the birth of children depended on the Holy Land. Thank you for watching, at least for Abraham. Thank you for watching. God bless. Please like, share, and subscribe, comment, and have a good Shabbos, everybody. Take care.